Okay, we're doing 11, and you can see this is a shape, right? A, B, C, D, and we're going to reflect above across the line y equals 1. Y equals 1 is a line that goes through 1 on the y-axis. Okay, it's a line like this. So this is going to reflect up there. Okay, so D is going to come to D prime because see 4 spaces. So 4 spaces. A, 2 spaces, go up 2. So A, B, C, D will come here to be here. Well, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay? That's here. Yes, it does preserve the length and angle because you can just say this is still 2 spaces, right? 2 spaces. And you can measure the angles. Okay. Then for C, it says, what if you just reflect across X, then move up 2? Of course it works, right? See, this reflect 1 space, right? Upside down will come here. Then you just move up 2. 1, 2. So it'll work. So yes, yes. Okay, both yes. Now for the next ones, they're pretty easy. 12, rigid is these 3. Translation, reflection, rotation. Okay. Then for 13, if a figure rigid transformation, the shape will stay the same. So congruent to the original figure. Okay. For 14, talk about some triangles. Talk about these little things. Okay. And you can see if you reflect it this way, they're the same. And if you reflect across this line, this will come here, this will go there, it'll be the same. So, okay, these are the choices for A. Okay, cross from the x-axis, that's this one, so it's like flip, so that's here, or the line x equals 2. Okay, x equals 2 is this line. You can see it will reflect, right? So this is the line right here. X equals 2. Or you can do a rotation of 180 about this point, right? 180 degrees about 2, 0. That's right there. Then it'll just come back. Okay. So do remember, y equals 1 is a line goes like horizontal. X equals 2 is vertical. Okay, remember those two. 15. This comes to this. You can see the same shape, right? But see, B comes to here. So it must be a reflection. Okay, it must be a reflection. It's not just sliding down. Sliding down, B will come to here, right? Which is not. So single reflection, yes. Okay, we just said the spacing is the same, right? Can it be a translation? No. Because then the B will come to B prime will be here, which is not. And determine a transformation, 3 reflections. Okay, this will have to go like here, then back. Okay, so this will become this, right? C comes here, B is here, then it comes back, the B will be here, A, C, right? Then you do it one more time, the B will come here. Okay, so that's how you do. Okay. 16, if this is congruent to that, then it will have to say like angle A is congruent to angle E. Right? A matches E, B matches F. Okay, angle B, angle F. Okay, 2 more. Then you're going to say AB congruent to EF. Right? Remember bar, EF. Okay, see first letters. Then you have BC, right? BC is FG. Then you have 2 more. Okay? And the last one is actually DA, HE. Okay. Now if all corresponding sides of 2 figures are congruent, then and all corresponding angles are congruent. These figures must be congruent. Okay, this one from 18, these are slightly different. Okay, and you already know WS, means these two are congruent. You already know, because S is the midpoint. You don't know anything else. So to do SSS, that means side, 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 you need two more things. You need to say this congruent to that, this congruent to that, right? So we're going to write it. UT and RS TS, right? Only sides. Side angle side, you already know this, so you could do side angle side, right? So you can say angle U and angle W. Then this side UT, WR, right? That makes it side angle side. Remember, you already have this. For 20 ASA, angle side angle, we're going to do probably angle side angle, right? Because they have to be all connected when it's alternating. So it'll be W, U, so it'll be the same. But then this angle, you have to say WSR and UST. Then for angle side, it would be probably, we can do angle side. Okay, they can't be connected. So we're going to say W, U, same. Then RT. Okay, that'd be good. Then two additional congruent statements, like angle. You know, they don't prove. And side angle. Those two cannot prove congruent. Okay? Okay, let's do one more. 23. And it says you have these two triangles. And you don't know how long this is, so you have to kind of measure. But then this lady, Consuela, said, you look, this is 450, 450, 500, 500. Then this must be 625. Okay, so, but we have to explain it. Okay, so let's do see if we can prove it, right? See, this is side, right? Side. So easiest way will be side angle side, right? Because these are vertical angles, so they're congruent. So with side angle side, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Then once they are, this must also be 625. Okay? So remember, this is vertical angles. They're congruent. We'll mark them like this. You can say 1 and 2. Called vertical angles. Okay? So that's that.